Okay, guys, so let's take a look at this question. This is a question that you might see that might look similar, okay? So, my question is, or my statement is, to round 347. So, I'm going to rewrite my number 347 to the nearest tenth. All right, so I know my place value, and if I don't, I'm going to draw a quick little place value chart for myself. Ones, tens, hundreds, awesome. So I need to round to the nearest tenth. So that means that I'm going to be rounding my 4. Okay? So I find the number in my place value that says to round to. Step 1. Step 1, check. I found my number, right? I'm rounding my 4 and I circled it. Is that what's just going to make that slightly bit neater? I'm going to circle it in red so we can see. Okay. So I circled my number. Now I go into step 2. Go next door to the right and underline that digit, okay? So I'm going to next door to my right and I'm underlining that digit. Ask myself, is that digit that I just underlined 4 or less or 5 or more? Well, if I make my little hill again and I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, my 7 is 5 or more side. It's on the 5 or more. So that means I'm going to raise the score, which means I'm going to add 1 to 4. So now it becomes 300 because my numbers in front stay the same. 5, because I added 1, and now I change all the numbers to the right to a 0. So my 7 gets turned into a 0. Okay, boys and girls? Now, if that were to be on a number line, and we were rounding to 10, so then it would go by 10. So 340 would be here, and 350 would be here. 347 would be right about there. Do you think it's closer to 340 or 350? Think about that logically. If I had a number line and I showed you a number line with 340 and 350, because I'm rounding to my tens, right? So I'm in between tens right now. Would 347 be closer to 340 or 350? It would be closer to 350, and that's how we got our answer, okay?